Hey guys, press the bell icon and never miss a video from Aola DIY. Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing great. So today I have a very exciting video. I was sent a very generous package by Mitform Casting of these beautiful metals which you see here. I'm going to show you each one of them individually in a while. And so Mitform Casting is a polish company and they make beautiful metal pieces and the quality is superb. Like just by the touch of the metal you can actually feel the quality. Like just listen to the metal noise, like it's such a good quality. And the metal pieces are pretty mechanical. Like if you look at it, like they have pieces like this which kind of interlock into each other and they kind of make sense. And it's amazing the way they have made their metal pieces. It's really good quality, like I was saying, and they are going to be super versatile to use. I will be coming up with many projects showing them that how I am going to use these metal pieces. I'm really grateful to them for sending me all of these because I'm pretty sure they're very expensive, and they were very generous enough, and they're trying to expand in the US. They want to sell their products in the US, and I will be one of their designers showing you guys what all products they have, and then you can ask your local retailers to get these for you. They are again very good quality and perfect for steampunk mixed media designers. So enough of me blabbering. Let's go ahead and see all the designs. I'm going to show them one by one, and this part is going to be a little fast forwarded because I don't want to bore you guys. So guys, this is all the stuff which I got from Mitform Casting, and I really hope that I'm being able to do I really hope that I'm able to do justice to these products. And I really hope you enjoyed my video, guys, and Do check them out. I'm gonna sync up with them and gonna keep on updating. Like currently I will direct you to their website, but I'll keep on updating the links as their products they reach US at different retailers. So let me know guys if you have any feedback, and have a wonderful day guys. Bye. So before you guys go, I kind of made one project using their products, and I'm gonna show it here in the end. Make sure you see it. They have beautiful products and they go very well along with mixed media creations. Do check them out, and I'll post more information as I get updated in the description box below.